Welcome back to Cocina y Soy. This is Carmen Julia, and today we're gonna be making summer pasta salad.
Cook the pasta in a pan with salt to the optimal time suggested on its package. Once boiling, add the pasta. Rinse with cold water. Add the pasta into a larger bowl. Cut the surimi. Green olives into a small size. Mince the cocktail onions, as well as the jardinera. Add the alcaparras, corn. Break up the tuna with a fork. Mix it all together while adding the olive oil. Let it sit in the fridge to be enjoyed cold.
And here it is, summer pasta salad. It's easy to grab on the go, and the best of all, it's cold. With this summer heat wave, it's nice to have a recipe to cool down. Don't forget to subscribe, give us some thumbs up, and comment below. You know what? I'm gonna take this one to the beach. See you at the beach.